Welcome.
All right, welcome back to Smasher Packs.
We're here with the Prizm, the Panini Prizm NFL box.
Welcome to the show. All right,
We got 3 of them.
All right, so we got 3 blaster boxes, hot off the press today. So we just got these. This is like the hottest product out right now. I don't really know the trading card calendar because I'm kind of new to this, but I don't know if they come out every January or what, but let's get into it. Obviously, we're looking for the Strouds, but there's 5 blaster exclusives, disco prisms. You unwrap 1 silver prism, blaster exclusive. So there's one silver prism in every box. So how many packs are there?
1, 2, 6, 5. I think maybe 5. No, 6.
1. Here's the pack. 4 cards per pack. Now you really gotta go slow on these because there's only 4 cards per pack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now easy. Only 4 cards per pack. Yikes. So apparently there's 1 silver and 1 disco per box. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into it.
We got silver, I think.
Okay, all right.
Maybe.
Slow it down. All right, so we got Leighton Vander Esch. I think he's pretty good. There's only 4 cards. Only 4 cards per pack. Dang, no color at all? Holy cow. There's a silver.
There's a silver.
So Desmond King. Mike Evans. Desmond King. I've been seeing Steelers heavy on these. Desmond King, I don't even know who he is. Is he a running back? Cornerback. Desmond King, silver. No thanks. All right. 4 cards per pack. So we might have to rip. Didn't really want to rip all these boxes, but there's only 4 cards per pack. We might have to. All right.
It's one of these things.
All right. Easy. Nolan Smith rookie card. Take that.
A gold.
Gold?
Gold color.
Oh, shoot. Leave the gold for last.
It's the orange or gold.
All right, leave the orange or gold for last. All right, so Khalil Shakir. Never heard of him. Oh my gosh.
I was trying to.
All right, easy. It's all right. All right, so there's the Nolan Smith. That's probably the best card so far.
Yeah.
All right, Jahmyr Gibbs rookie card. We'll take that. Is that a rookie? Hold on. We'll try to do the pro thing that they do.
Not a rookie.
Not a rookie. So this card above is the Sauce Gardner. Titans. Titans. I don't know about the Titans. Derrick Henry, orange. Disco. Is it numbered?
Let's see.
Easy on it.
Not numbered.
Easy on it for the second time. Times 2.
Not numbered.
All right, this Jahmyr Gibbs is actually a silver. So not bad. This is not a bad start. So far we got Nolan Smith rookie, this Derrick Henry orange disco, which is not bad. And then this is probably the best card so far. Jahmyr Gibbs, Silver Prizm, rookie.
CJ Stroud!
Ooh, let's go!
Rookie!
We hit it. That's a $50 card right there. Let's go. Let's go. Stroud, Christian Kirk on the orange. All right, is that numbered? Oh, if this was the silver, I saw the Prizm going for $350 on eBay. But this is definitely
a $50.
This is a $50 card. We're definitely probably getting this graded, depending on what it looks like. I mean, it looks pretty good to me. Hold on. Let's go. Stroud. Hold on. Let me get my thing up. I gotta get a top loader.
Imagine we pull an auto CJ Stroud.
There is no auto CJ Strouds in here, but
Is there autos?
no, because he doesn't sign for this company, I guess. Bro, you are. Hold on.
Bears.
Hold on. Justin Fields. All right, let me get the... Bro, let me...
It's another orange. How much oranges?
They're all orange. Apparently, there's one orange. All right. Stroud. That was the first box.
Mm-hmm.
There it is, ladies and gentlemen.
And the second pack, I think.
Second pack, first box. Here's the Jahmyr Gibbs silver.
I think there's a Tyler Hero at the back. No,
Tyler Hero plays basketball.
No.
Might be a Trevor Lawrence, maybe.
No.
All right, so Justin Fields. Now, DeForest Buckner.
A rookie orange.
It's a rookie orange, but it's... What's his name?
Saints. Oh gosh, the Saints. The Saints.
Is it silver?
Oh gosh.
No.
Here. Is it this?
Tyrann Mathieu.
Is it number? And then
Tyrann Mathieu. We're making more reels. How are you going to say that? What was it? Tyrann Mathieu. That was actually not a bad try. For a 7-year-old. Not bad. Kalasia Kansas. All right, you. Woo! Dang, we got a hot pack, folks. Hold on. All right, let's do one by one here. All right, Zach Ertz, Tajay Spears rookie, take that all day. Joe, dang, we got a hot pack, bro. Joe Burrow on the orange color match, and another Stroud. Dang, bro.
Do you get one touches in that?
Huh?
Do you get one touch? One touches in that?
Prismatic. CJ Stroud going crazy.
Wait, how much is that?
Oh my gosh, this is $100 in cards, no doubt.
Last pack.
And if it's gem and 10s, I mean, if these grade out to be 10s, we're talking way more than that. Here's the Stroud and the Prismatic. Holy moly. This is only in the first box. CJ Stroud rookie and a Prismatic. I saw a break last night where there was full boxes broken where there were not one Stroud, and this is a blaster box. All right, and then hold on 1 second. This is being slept on as well. This is Joe Burrow Orange Disco Color Match. This is probably like a $50 card right here. This is a color match. Orange Disco. Joe Burrow. That box right here has been an absolute heater.
First box.
Last pack.
Magic.
Last pack magic.
Oh my goodness.
All right, easy, 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 easy.
Oh, I'm trying to put that thing down.
All right, bro. Hey, yo, chill, bro.
Browns.
Amari Cooper,
Dolphins.
greatest Browns receiver of all time.
Chase Brown.
Chase Brown, never heard of him. Zach Thomas, interesting.
Steelers.
Patrick Peterson.
No one's gonna.
Holy cow, I gotta go get a towel to wipe myself down. Why don't you go throw that stuff out real quick?
This stuff. Should
Huh?
This too. That. These cards.
Holy cow. Yeah, I mean, we'll see. We'll hang on to those.
Okay.
I'm not quite. The kid reporters, again, I'm not really quite sure exactly what they are.
I think they're tickets.
Holy cow, I'm sweating.
No, you weren't. You're just red.
I'm sweating. If you're joining us later when we post the video, so far this is one box, one blaster box. CJ Stroud Prismatic. CJ Stroud rookie card. Joe Burrow Orange Disco Color Match. Jahmyr Gibbs Silver Rookie Prizm. Hey. Holy cow. All right. So. Honorable mention. You got all-time Titans running back in orange color. And then you got Tajay Spears, the new Titans running back.
How do you get this thing open?
I'll get it. You want to sleeve these up while I get this?
Yes.
It's easy to sleeve those. Holy moly. I'm going to have an anxiety attack.
I want.
I am sweating a little bit. So, while we have a little downtime here, opened up a Facebook page for Smasher Packs. So make sure you go like us on Facebook. Started a YouTube channel. So a lot of the videos, right now we're just kind of getting up and rolling, but I'd like to just start making the videos on YouTube and doing the breaks. But I kind of like doing the lives. I have fun with my boy doing the live. And I just got some break mats, Smasher Pack break mats. And whoa, 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 I didn't even know you opened the first pack. All right, we'll come back to that. All right, chill, 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 chill.
Why do you keep saying chill?
Breezy. Puka Nakua! Let's go! Silver! What? Puka Nakua silver? Bro, what? Prizm? Puka Nakua rookie? Bro, literally we just pulled all the cards that everyone would want to pull. Do you understand that?
No.
Okay, like literally every card that everyone is looking for online, we just pulled. Not only is this a...
Joe Burrow!
We already pulled the orange Joe Burrow. Zay Flowers, tell me that's not a Prizm. Oh my gosh, dude. What is going on right now? This is a heater. Why is there only one viewer right now? Holy cow, Puka Nakua. Silver rookie. That's got to be going for probably at least $30.
True.
Devontae Smith orange. Zay Flowers silver. Dude, this is like heater central. This is like basically, and this is a portrait. This is a portrait silver. This is insane. Insane. I don't even know what is going on right now. Zay Flowers, silver rookie Prizm portrait. Puka Nakua, silver rookie.
Is any one of those numbered?
Huh? No, they're not numbered. Relax. Deion Sanders. All right. Let's reveal it, dude. Don't, but slowly.
Color.
Is it a rookie? Tell me that is Tyreek Hill, and I'll flip out if it's orange. Tell me that is Tyreek Hill. If it's Tyreek Hill, oh, is it? Oh, it's Monster. Dang. Holy cow. I thought this was either going to be Tyreek Hill or Tua.
Tua and Nakua?
No, not Tua Nakua. What was that? What was that last card?
Which card? Wait.
What was that one before that? I thought you pulled something. Oh, the Hendon Hooker. Hendon Hooker's like, I watched a couple breaks where Hendon Hooker was the best card that came out of the box. Easy.
You could win
Easy.
2 tickets to Super.
Hendon Hooker, rookie.
Cowboys.
Okay, hold on.
Cowboys.
All right, CD Lamb, we'll take it. Khalil Mack, easy. What's the orange? Hold on, easy. What team? Let's check it out. What team is it?
I'm like a rookie.
Let's see if it's rookie or if it's what team it is. Panthers? No way. Rookie Panthers? Tell me this ain't Bryce Young. Tell me it is Bryce Young. Oh my gosh. Orange Bryce Young rookie. Dude, there's like $400 worth of cards in here. Oh my gosh. Bro. I don't even know what to say. I'm actually kind of speechless right now. Shame on you if you're not watching this video. Smash Your Packs is here, baby. Bryce Young, #1 overall draft pick. Justin Jefferson, oh my gosh. Hold on. All right, Gabriel Davis. All right, easy. Joey Porter. You should have checked and seen. Lorenzo Carter. Justin Jefferson on the Prismatic. This is unbelievable.
Justin Jefferson.
This is unbelievable. This is unbelievable. Still got one box to go. If we pull another Stroud, I don't know, the phone might fry up. Easy. Ooh. Zadarius Smith. Zadarius Smith. Easy. Packers. Rookie. Jaden Reed. Brian Dawkins. Was that the last pack?
Yeah. No. Yes.
Okay. Throw that out, please.
Here. Just. Are you gonna do miss the high five thing? Like if we did a high five.
Bennett wants some more viral content. Anyways, what I was saying about the brake mats is we got some brake mats and a stand coming. Got a YouTube channel and got a Facebook page all activated. Jaden Reed, I don't know too much about Jaden Reed, but I do know this is the thing. I've been watching some of these breaks and I've been watching people pull like Jaden Reed acting like they hit the lottery. And this is like nothing compared to the cards that we've pulled. Just in case you're just joining us. Bryce Young, Orange Disco. Puka Nakua, Silver Prizm Rookie. CJ Stroud, rookie. CJ Stroud, Prismatic. Joe Burrow, orange color match. Jahmyr Gibbs, Silver Prizm Rookie. Literally pulled three Silver Prizm Rookies.
Last box man.
We're just acting like Justin Jefferson Prismatics aren't even a big deal. Because they're not.
On the Browns.
Okay, easy. All right. Easy. Flip it around.
Silver.
Silver what?
Oh no. Rookie.
No, not silver.
Maybe.
Easy.
This is the silver.
Nothing in there. All right. Why don't you settle down for a second? Hasten Reddick. I think he's a linebacker. All right. What?
Oh,
Slowly. Desmond Ritter. Easy. I didn't even see it.
Giants.
Darren Waller. Xavier Hutchinson. Darius Slay. We're slowing down a little bit here. I think Xavier Hutchinson is a wide receiver that's doing well for the Texans. All right. Easy. Got another orange. All right. Now. Yeah, go ahead. Kareem Hunt.
Chiefs.
Drew
Eagles.
Tranquil.
Eagles.
All right, you're kind of blowing through this box here, so slow down, okay? I don't know who Drew Tranquil is. Lamar? No, Odell. Eric Dickerson? Here, let me see that. Let's.
I want to.
All right. Chargers? Rookie? I don't know. Never heard of him.
Never heard of them. Buffalo Bill.
No, that's Tampa.
Tampa Bay.
This is like more what I expected. This last box. Justin Herbert Prizm. It's a quarterback for the Chargers. Easy.
Jordan Addison.
Slowly. Jordan Addison rookie. Is that Clayton Tune?
Last like magic.
Joshua Dobbs, orange?
Miss Pepper.
Joshua Dobbs. Jordan Addison, just regular degular. Jordan Addison.
What's that word? What's that word?
Easy, 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 easy.
Panthers.
Slowly. Colts. Is that Gardner Minshew? Like, slowly.
Giants!
Yeah, it's a brick. You can just show that one. But it's a rookie, though. It's
Giants.
an orange rookie.
CJ
CJ Mosley. That last box was not that great. But it doesn't matter.
The first two boxes.
Were the most fire boxes probably anyone's ever pulled so far.
Okay. Peace. We all. Okay, guys.
All right, so you've had enough.
Peace.
All right, so just make sure that you follow us. Stop.
Peace.
Make sure you follow us on Instagram and Facebook and YouTube.
Please.
Please, pretty please. Like, comment down below.
Or I'll be
Have
in.
you seen anyone pull this heat before? Because we just pulled all heaters.
Or I'll be in your
Smash or pack out.
nightmares.